This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, good morning, guys. So the today's topic is typecasting. Okay, typecasting in Python. Typecasting, or sometimes it is also called as a type conversion. Typecasting or type conversion. There are different types. So what is casting, sir? What is conversion, sir? Conversion means to convert the data. To convert the data from one type to another type. From one type to another data type. From one data type to from one data type. From one data type to another data type. Another data type. To converting the data from one data type to another data type. This process is called a this process. This type of process. This process is called a typecasting or type conversion. Typecasting or type conversion. This is the basic definition. So what is conversion? Convert the data from one type to another type. Data are different data types. The data is available. Integer data is available. Float data available. String data is available. String data is available. And complex data is available. Complex type is available. And Boolean data type is available. Bool data type is available. Converting the data from one type into another type. This is the data, integer data. For example, data is integer data. Here the data is, for example, 9 is a integer data. To convert this data type into integer. This is a integer data. This data is converting into float type. That is at 9.0. Or to convert this data into 9 is converting into string type. What is string type? A collection of characters enclosed by single quote. Now this is a single quote. It is a string type. Or to convert this data into complex type. Complex is 9 plus 0j to convert the data into. Or to convert this data into true. It is a Boolean type. Boolean type. To convert the data from one type means here the data is integer. This integer data is converting into bool type. This integer data is converting into bool type. Integer to boolean. For example, if you want to converting 0 is converting, this value is converting into float type. Boolean type. Boolean type means that is the false type. That is the conversion. This process is called as a conversion. Here converting. Here what is typecasting, sir? Typecasting means to converting the data from one type into another type. What is one type? One is an integer type converting into Boolean type. One is an integer type converting into float type. So this process is called as a typecasting or type conversion in Python. In Python, typecasting in Python, the following functions. These are the functions. The following functions are used in typecasting. The following functions are used in typecasting. One function is int function. Int is a function. Here it is not a data type. Here it is a function. This function is converting other data type into one type. So now the float function and the str is a function. This function converting other type to string type. And here the fourth one is complex function. It is an inbuilt function to converting one type into another type. For the Boolean, this function is used to converting other type into Boolean type. In Python, there are the 5 inbuilt function. Number of inbuilt functions are available. The remaining also available. Number of available. One is X function available, hexadecimal, and octa is available. One is a binary is available. In function, and another list function is available, and tuple function is available. Okay, set function is available. Set is an inbuilt function. These functions are used to converting one type into another type. Hexadecimal. So now the next one is the octal, and the next one is the eighth one is the binary type, converting one type into another type, and converting the list type, converting the tuple type, and converting it set type, and converting into dictionary type. These are the different functions. These functions are converting values from one type into another type, In this one, the first one is int function. So what is int function, sir? This function is the main advantage of the int function. What is the int function, sir? This function is used to this function is used to convert the values or data, convert the values from other data type to integer type, This function is used to converting other data type, any other value means other type means it may be string, other type means it may be float, other type means it may be complex, other type means it may be Boolean. These values are converting other type into, all these values are converting other data type into type. Other data type into type. Now the conversion process, other type into integer type. Other data type into integer type. Now here one example, except complex number. Complex number cannot be possible except complex data type. Except the complex data type. The complex data type cannot be converting other types into integer type. It's only for one complex number cannot be converted. This function is to convert except complex number.
Sir.
Complex number cannot be converted. Please what?
Sir, voice సరిగ్గా రావట్లేదు సార్, ప్లీజ్ సార్.
Okay, clear or present?
బ్రేక్
Clear or not?
అయిపోతుంది సార్.
Okay, wait one
అంటే
minute.
స్ప్లిట్ అయిపోతుంది సార్, బ్రేక్ అయిపోతుంది.
Okay. Right. Present clear? Present clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. Thank you. So now this function is used to convert from other data type to integer type, except the complex type. I will explain one by one, no problem. The first one is converting. Here the conversion is other data type to integer type. Other data type to converting the other data type to integer type. For example, here we are using Python shell prompt. The prompt is other data type. For example, int of any value. For example, the value is 9.5. Here the 9.5 is which data type? The 9.5 is a float type. Now the 9.5 is a float type. This float value is converting into integer type. This float value is converting into integer. The output is only for 9. This float value is converting into integer. Here the base value is float type. Your original argument value, your original parameter is float value. The float value converting into integer. Clear first example. And the next one, for example, another example. Here integer of string value. For example, 9 is a string because this string is enclosed by single quotes. This string is enclosed by single quote. The argument is string type. This argument is converting into integer. Here the data type is string type. This is a string. This string. The output is integer value. For example, integer of true. This is the argument is Boolean type. This Boolean type value is converting into integer. That means true means 1. This true means 1. After entering the value, data type is converting into 1. So for example, here integer of false F capital. The true T capital in false F capital, value is converting false represent 0. That is converting into 0. Clear, guys? Okay. Float value converting into integer. String value converting into integer. True value converting into integer. False value integer converting. For example, if the value is string means it contains always only digits, but not the alphabet. Here int of one alphabet. The alphabet is Python. Here the value is string type. This value is string. The string data type converting into integer is not possible. Why? Because the data here, the argument must be string, okay, but the string it contains only digits but not the alphabet. Here enter the value and press enter button. It returns the value error. Here the value must be always base is 10. Base 10 means it must be decimal value. There are the different base values. Base value is 10. Base value is 8 octal number system. Base value is 2 binary number system. Hexadecimal number system, the base value is 16. Here the argument always must be base type. For example, if you are trying the complex number, int of is a complex number. Complex number is 5 plus 3j. It is a complex number. And so the argument is complex type. The argument is complex type. Here the argument is complex type. Okay. The complex type, we are trying to converting the complex value into integer. But it is not possible. Because the argument is a string value. This is a except complex number. To convert the values, okay, one data type to another data type, except complex type. Complex data type cannot be supported. The complex data type cannot be supporting the complex type. Please observe this one. The complex number running type error cannot convert complex value. This is error, complete error. Yes. So another with the examples. The example, the integer value 9.5. 9.5 is a float value. This float value is converting integer. 9 is a string value. This string value converting into integer. True is a integer. True is a boolean. This value is converting into integer. That means it is a one value. The false is a boolean value. The boolean type is converting into integer 0. Here in the Python is a string value. Here the string is not possible. It is the value error. Here it is a type error, but not the value error. Type error means cannot convert complex to integer. The basic formula. This function is used to convert the values from other type to integer type, except complex data type. Clear, guys? Except complex type. These are the data type. Okay. And the second next one is number 2 function is float. Float. So what is the use of float, sir? This function is used to convert the values other type to float type means decimal digit value with decimal point, except complex number. Here the complex data type is not supporting. Here also same as integer, the complex data type is not supporting. Same as integer, the complex data type is not supporting. For example, okay, this is the example. For example, the complex value cannot be converted. All the other values are converting. The complex value cannot be converted. Float of 8 is a value, or 9 value is integer value. Please observe this, very important. Be careful. Okay, 9 is a integer value. This is the integer value. This integer value is converting into float type. Please observe this, very be careful. Okay, this integer value is converting into float. That means the output is 9.0. That is the output is 9 is a integer value. This integer value is converting float. Right? So here enter. The output is 9.0. Why? Because we are using float function. Now next example. For example, float of 9 point. For example, the string value is 45. Please observe this. Here the 45. Okay, without single quotes, the 45 is an integer value. Without single quotes, the 45 is an integer value. Now this integer value is converting into float type. This is the value is here. This is the string type, but not integer. Without single quotes, integer type. With a single quotes or with double quotes, you can use both double quotes also. Double quotes also you can use. You can use also string. Double quotes also, no problem. Not only single, double quotes also, or triple double quotes also, no problem. Or single quotes, triple single quotes, no problem. All these are string type. Present we are using single quote or double quote. Here the 45 is a okay. Without double quotes, 45 is integer value. With double quotes, 45 is a string value. Now here this string value is converting into float. The output is 45.0. Clear. The next one is float of true. Here the true is a boolean value. This boolean value is converting into float type, that is 1.0. That is 1.0. For example, float of false. Here the false value is a boolean value. This boolean value is converting into float type. The output is 0.0, not 0. 0 is for integer. Please observe this one. Be carefully. Now the 0 is an integer. 0.0 is a float value. 0.0 is a float value. This float value is converting into false value, converting into 0.0. Clear, guys? Up here? Clear? Now another value. For example, float of any string value. The string is wrong, or the string value is Python. So now the string always must be base 10 only. Otherwise, it displays the could not convert string to float. String, that means this string is must be integer. Digits are converting, but the string is alphabets, cannot be converting. Now here one more value, float of complex value 5 plus 9j. This complex data type. Here the output is here the value error, here the type error. Cannot convert complex type to float type. Here converting string type, okay, but the string value is wrong value. The string value must be digit without alphabet. Okay, now this is here to display the value error, here to display the type error. This is the conversion process from one data type to another data type. Okay, convert the data type from one to another. The values are float to integer. Okay, here the output is value error, here the output is type error. Please once again, integer value converting into float 9.0, integer value 45 converting float value, boolean value is here the string value, string integer, this is the string integer. Please observe this. This is the boolean value 1.0, this is a boolean value 0.0. Python here returns the value error, string value converting into integer float. Okay, but the string must be digit only. The string must be base value 10. Digit means base value 10. Here, okay. Now the next one is the float of complex value. The complex value cannot converting into float type. Please observe this one. Right. The next one is the third one is first one already integer completed. The second one is float completed. The third one is string type. str. Sir, what is str, sir? What is str? It is a inbuilt function. Third one is str is a inbuilt function. str is inbuilt function. This function is used to convert other values into string type, here including complex also, including the complex value. That is to return the value in single quotes. That is the output is string means you can use either double quotes or single quotes or triple single quote or triple double quote. But here the returns, that is it returns the value, it returns value in single quote. That means it is a string. The output is a single quote. The output is enclosed by the single quote. Now running, for example, str of 9, str of 0 or str of 9. Here what is 9, sir? Here 9 is which data type? 9 is which data type? The 9 is integer type. Okay. This integer value is converting into string type. Here the output is string means enclosed by single quotes. Okay. From this value, the output is string value. This string value converting 9 into string. This without single quotes, 9 is integer. Without single quotes, 9 is integer. And after pressing enter button, the output is 9 is enclosed in the single quotes. It is called as a string type. And here, for example, str of 9 point so and so value, any value. This is the value. The value is which data type? Value is data type. This value is float type. Float value, any value, digit with the decimal point. Digit with the decimal point. For example, this is the value also. 43, 43, 49 point. 44, 38, 94, 73, 987. This is the value, float value. This float value is converting into integer type. The output enclosed in single quotes mark. Now run enter button. The output is enclosed in the single quotes. Here, guys. Now is the integer value converting into string type. Float value converting into string type. Here the str of boolean value. The boolean value is true. This is a boolean value. This bool value is converting into string type. That means the output is true is enclosed by single quotes. But integer means 1, float means 1.0, string means enclosed by single quotes. str of false, false is enclosed by single quotes. False value enclosed by single quotes. For example, if you are trying the bool complex value also, complex value is for any value 5 plus 9j. It is a complex value. Integer is not converting, float is not converting. This is a complex value. This complex value is converting into string type. What is string, sir? The final value 5 plus 9j, return its value is single quotes or double quotes or triple double quotes or triple double quotes, but the output is always returned. So here the output always returns single quotes only. This is the value. This value converting single quotes value. Okay, string type. It is a complex value. This complex value is converting into string type. Clear, guys? Up to here. Now this complex value is converting into string type. Here is a string. Example 1. String of 9. 9 is an integer. 9 is integer, convert to string. 43, 43, 49, so and so value. Float value converting into string. True is a Boolean value converting into string. False is a Boolean value converting into string. 5 plus 9j is a complex value converting into string. Clear, guys? And the third function is also completed. And the fourth function is complex function. Complex. Here is a complex function. Fourth function. This function is used to this function is used to convert the other type values into complex type. That means the output is a plus 0j. Complex type means a plus bj. Here what is a and here what is a? A is a real part. And what is b? B is called a imaginary part. A is which data type? A is called real part, but it is a float type or integer type. That's different value. And the b is a imaginary part. This function is used to converting the any other type value. Convert the any other type values to complex type, including all the values are converting into a of real type, b of value. For example, here the two arguments, we can pass the two arguments. For example, you can pass only one argument, the second b value is always 0. So now pass one value and with value, two value. Here are the two methods. First method is complex of only a, support a only a. And the second method is number two method is complex of a and b. We are supporting a and b. In this first method, we call only a value. A value means always the b value is 0. Here we can pass the two parameters. One parameter is the a value, another parameter is the b value. First type examples. We will explain one by one. Examples of first type. Now here the first type. The method a. You can pass only one value. This value is converting into integer value. Clear? For example, first complex of only integer 9. What is 9, sir? 9 is which data type? 9 is integer type. This integer value is converting into which type? Complex type. Finally, output is 9 plus 0j. We are providing only a value, but not the b value. The b value is 0, not 9. It returns the value equal to 9 plus 0j. 9 plus 0j. Here, the output is the 9 plus 0. For example, we are providing complex of 35. 35 is an integer value. Please observe this. 35 is integer value. This integer value is converting complex type 35 plus 0. For example, assume that complex of float value 35.8. Here this data type value is, we are passing the value, we are passing only float value. This float value is converting into complex type. The output is 45.8 plus 0j. This is the output, complete output. Clear, guys? Now enter, run this command. Output is 45.8 plus 0j for the output. For example, complex of true. Output is true means 1 plus 0j. The output is 1 plus 0j. True is a Boolean value. This Boolean value is converting into complex. Clear? Okay. Here the complex of false. This value 0 plus 0j. That is 0j. 0 plus 0j means that is the 0j. Converting other type into. For example, we are trying to complex of string value. The string value is 8. 8 is a string value converting into 8 plus 0j. For example, we are trying 8 values Python. No, it is wrong. Because always must be integer. That's wrong. This is called as a value error. We are supporting only one value. The type is we are passing only one value. The value is only for I value. These are the examples. The first method of a complex value. Method we are passing only one value. Example, sir. If we are passing the a and b value, then what happens? We are passing the a and b values. Automatically, the first value is a and the second value is b. No doubt it. First value is a and the second value is b. We are passing the two values. Now here we are passing the two values. Okay, we are passing the two values. One argument is A, second argument is B. For example, complex of 8 comma 3, 8 comma 3. Here both the arguments are integer. First one is integer, clear, and the second one also integer. Okay, that is the first value is A. This is equal to A, and this is equal to B. The second value is B. Output is 8 plus 3j. Output is 8 plus 3j. Output is 8 plus 3j. Both the arguments are integer. Please observe this one. We are passing the A value and B value. A value 8 and the B value is, for example. Okay. Now the next one, complex of. We are passing the value, some value. One value is, okay, example, complex of both the values are float type, 34.2 and 89.6. Both the arguments are float values. For example, here this argument is float type, okay, and the second argument is also float type. Both one is float type. The output is, what the outputs are? The 34.2 plus 89.68. Example, we are sending one argument is integer, example 5 comma 90.4. One is integer, one is float. Enter 5 plus 90.4. For example, the complex of any value 45.3. First is float, and the second one is the output is 45.3. Both integers okay, both floats okay. First integer, second float okay. First float, second integer okay. For example, complex of Boolean true value. First one true, okay, comma false. The output is 1 plus 0. For example, complex of false comma true, opposite. 0 plus 1 j. First one is true, second one false. First one false, second one. For example, if you are sending both the arguments are string type. One is 3 is a string type, one is 8 is a string type. Both arguments are string. Output is wrong. Okay. If the argument is string type, we can take only one argument, but not the second argument. Here it is the value equal to wrong. Here it can take the first argument. Please observe this, very important. Okay. Here we are passing the two arguments. Okay. A comma B, second method. We are passing two values. First value integer, second value integer, this is output. First value float, second value float, this is output. First value integer, second float, this is output. 45.3 output. First true, second false, output. False and true, output. Now we are type error. The value is the cannot take the second value. Why? Because okay, both the arguments must be okay. Strings are not allowed. One is integer, one is string allowed, but not the other data type. Clear, guys? This is a complex type. There are the different types. Complex type. One is integer type, completed. Okay. Float type, completed. Okay. And string type, completed. Complex type, completed. The next data type is Boolean type. That is the fifth one. Bool. This is used to this function is used to convert the other type values into Boolean type. That is the output is either true value or false value. Because it is a true value, the output is either true or false. The output is either true or false, only one value. Because this function is used to converting the other values into Boolean type. Boolean means true or false, T capital and F capital. Remaining all the characters are small letters only. It has always either true value or false value. So go to command prompt and check it. For example, bool of 8. Sir, what is 8, sir? What is 8? 8 is a integer value. What is 8? 8 is a integer value. This integer value is converting into Boolean. That means except 0, all the values are true. 8 means number, it is a true. Except 0, it has the value true. Now output is, example, bool of some any number, big number. Output is true. It is an integer type. This integer type value, this integer type is converting this integer value. This int value is converting into bool type. The output is true. Clear, guys? And for example, the value is of 0. Bool of is also 0 is the integer value. The 0 is integer. This value is integer. This value is integer. This integer value is converting into bool. Bool means either true or false. The true means 1 or 2 has some value. False means 0. 0 for false. This value is 0. That means false. It returns value is false. Integer value, integer value, integer value. These integer values are converting into Boolean type. Clear? For example, float. Bool of 45.9. 45.9 is a float value. This float value is converting into Boolean type. That means true. For example, bool of large number. For example, large number, point so and so value. This is a float value. This float value is converting into Boolean. The output is true. For example, bool of 0.0. 0.0. 0.0 means it is a float value. This float value is converting into bool that is equal to false. Integer value, integer value, integer value. Float value, float value, float value. All these values are converting into Boolean type. Clear, guys? Up to here. Boolean means converting other type to a Boolean type. Clear. Now, next one is, for example, the next one is, the next one is, for example, we are trying to converting a complex value. For example, the complex value. Bool of complex. Complex means 4 plus 9j. It is a complex value. This complex value is converting into float type. This is a complex value completely. The value is complex. This complex value is converting into Boolean type. The output is true. Here the output is true. Okay. For example, bool of complex value. So and so complex value plus so and so value converting into j, the large value converting into Boolean value. For example, 0, not possible. Here, to converting is a big value, a value, and the b value, the 0j, parenthesis missing, and tag the parenthesis, the value is Boolean value. For example, bool of 0 plus 0j. All the values must be 0. Okay, a value 0 and the b value 0, so it's why the value equal to false. Bool of, for example, 0 plus 3j. 0 plus 3j, the value 2. For example, 8 plus 0j, the value equal to 2. Clear? To converting all these values into Boolean type. Clear? All these values into Boolean type is converting the values of Boolean type with Boolean values. Clear, guys? Boolean is a complex number to Boolean. Complex number to Boolean. Here is not required. Okay. Complex number to Boolean. Complex number to Boolean. Complex number to Boolean. Complex number to Boolean. For example, if the argument is string type, bool of string type. The argument is string type. Okay. String type. For example, it is Python. Is a string. Converting this string into Boolean. Is observe it one. Or it is a string. It is a string. Okay. 9. Converting this string into Boolean true. Example, bool of 0. This is a string. This string is converting into true only, but not 0. For example, bool of this is a string Python. The string Python, it is the value true. Bool of, for example, right? It is a scripting. It is a scripting language. Okay, then the value equal to true. For example, bool of empty string without any blank spaces. This string is called as a blank spaces string. And now here we are using the empty none value. Here it is the value equal to false. If the string is none string, empty string. Now it is also called as a bool of string, blank spaces string. And now this string returns the value true. Please observe this one. Be careful. Last two examples. This example, a string, it is a string, but without any blank space also. Without the blank space also. It returns the true. False. Here with blank space. That means it is also a character value. That is the character is blank space character. It is the value equal to Boolean type value. Boolean type values. Now, complete. Clear, guys, up to here, all of you? There are the different values. One is integer. Okay, one is float value. Okay, one is a float type to and string value, str value, and a complex value, and Boolean value. These are the conversions for typecasting to convert the data from one type to another type. These 5 are the basic types. These 5 are the basic type conversions. Okay, these are the different examples. First 5 are the basic type conversions, and the remaining are to convert the data into hexadecimal type. Sir, what is hexadecimal type? I'll explain that tomorrow, not today. And what is octal? What is bin? What is list? Bin for binary type. What is list? What is tuple? What is set? What is distance? All these are explained in the next session. Not today's session, next session. Because of first 5 are the type conversions for part 1. The next remaining 7 functions are the typecasting for part 2 are available. Okay, guys, clear up to here? Right.